Okay, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you like tea or coffee, or do you prefer tea or coffee?
Yes, I like tea. I like tea because it is very useful for you when you got tired from and when you got busy in work. Then you prefer tea to take a rest.
Okay, why are you using you? My question is, do you prefer? So you should say I. I prefer tea whenever I'm tired and I drink a cup of tea or I take tea. I feel good. Instead of saying take tea, you should say I have tea. Okay. Do you prefer to have tea with sugar or without sugar?
Yes, I like to take tea with sugar because it makes a good taste and it is quite healthy for us.
Okay, thank you so much. Try to speak at least a couple of sentences, okay?
Yes.
Why do some people add salt to their tea?
Some people add salt to their tea because they thought that
They think that
it is necessary for them to bring their blood pressure on their point.
Okay. All right, that's why they add salt. So,
Yes.
do you prefer to have tea with biscuits?
Yes, I like to take tea with biscuits and some other things that makes you that gives you more eatables.
Yeah, things that give you a nice taste. So
Nice
I always
taste.
prefer to have tea
Tea
with
with
cookies and sandwiches and all that. Full chaska program, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Do you prefer to drink strong tea or light tea?
Sir, I prefer to take a light tea because I always traveling.
I always travel. Like
I
you're
always
a driver?
travel. Therefore, no.
You can't, no? Okay.
So, sentences add करना है.
Okay, because I'm always traveling. Come on, you're traveling to moon. So, why are you always traveling? You say I usually travel.
I usually travel. Therefore, I like to prefer
Okay.
light tea.
I'm always traveling is also correct. It means I travel frequently. That is
Yes.
also right. Okay, don't worry. Okay, that's fine. So overall, it's good. Be confident. Now let's go on. Do you like your voice?
Yes, I like my voice because my voice is so good. And
Come on, speak loudly. Yeah.
yes, I like my voice because my voice is so good. And any people can.
Okay, my voice is so good. So yes, I like my voice. Sometimes I sing also and my friends appreciate me. So to answer your question, I would say I like my voice. Is your voice similar to your father or brother?
My voice is similar to my mother because I like
Because
because I like my mother.
okay, that's why my voice is similar to my mother.
Yeah.
Do you like to record your voice?
Yes, I do like record my voice because I can sing. I can sing a song and I can enjoy themselves.
Okay, I can enjoy
Otherwise-
myself. All right, I understand the topic is unusual, but try to handle the topic, okay? All right, thank you so much. Good job.